You can glow before Christmas, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can glow before Christmas, what you need to do to glow before Christmas. Hi, I'm cherries. Welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl, IAMJESSFECHI, and I welcome you to today's video. Today's video is all about products that you can use to glow. Mainly 4 products that you can use to glow before Christmas. I even glow into the new year. If this is your first time of ever seeing this pretty face, hiya, my name is IAMJESSFECHI, and I welcome you to my channel. Join this beautiful family by clicking on the subscribe button that you can see while you're watching this video. Please also turn on your notification. Also like, share this video, and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section for me. And if this is not your first time of ever seeing this pretty face, thank you guys so much for your constant love and support. I don't take it for granted. You can glow before Christmas, honestly. Your skin can sparkle, your skin can look radiating and glowing before Christmas, and you can even carry that glow into the new year. And I'm going to be telling you guys 4 or 5 things that you can do to glow before Christmas. Actually, it can be things and also products that you can use to glow before Christmas. And the first product that you can use here, you need to get a bar soap. For those that are fair, I'm going to be doing this both for fair people and the melanin chocolate people. As for those that are fair and you want to glow before Christmas, I would recommend you highly get a bar soap, which in this case I'll be recommending the Ashanti bar soap. For those that are melanin color, I would recommend you get Dove soap. The Dove soap is a really good soap for you to use as your soap before Christmas. These 2 soaps, they are good for your skin. Like, they are very, very good for your skin. Like, if you use the Ashanti soap, normally this is not a soap that you're supposed to be using every day. But for you to glow, you can use the soap every day. For the fair people, you can use it every day till Christmas. Like every day till Christmas, both morning and night. You use it to bathe on your skin before Christmas. And I recommend when you want to use this soap, you use that that scrub sponge. I recommend that sponge to use with that soap. Same for the Dove soap as well. For those of you of the melanin skin color, that soap is a very good soap. It maintains your color. It brings out the glow in you. Makes your skin glow. It makes your skin shiny. It does not bleach your skin. Instead, it brings out the beauty of your skin. The next one here is a scrub. You need to use a very good scrub. For the whitening people, I would even recommend a scrub that works best for the both skin, both the fair and the melanin people, the chocolate people, the melanin people. You can use the Cool Spa scrub. Yes. For the fair people, you can use that scrub every day. Then if you want to brighten yourself more, that's the Alpha Abutin scrub. Let me show you that scrub. You can use this scrub. And because you want to glow your skin, you need to scrub your skin like 3 to 4 times a week before Christmas. But after that, once you get to New Year, you shouldn't continue it. It's because you want to glow your skin. And maybe you've not scrubbed your skin for a very long time. Then you can do 3 times. I'm not even recommending 4 times. 3 times is very okay for you. And those of the melanin skin color, the chocolate skin color, you can use this Cool Spa scrub. That scrub is very good for you. It just brings out your skin color, brings out your skin tone, brightens, not really brightens your skin, but just brings out the glow and makes the product you're using to penetrate very well. Cool Spa scrub is very good for the melanin people. This is something that you just do before Christmas, or even do it before New Year to glow your skin. And after that, I will still, like I always say, the best time for you to scrub your skin is either once a week for those that have a very sensitive skin, or twice or 3 times for people that have combination of dry skin and all of the rest skin types. The next one is body lotion. For body lotion, those of the melanin skin color, I'm going to be leaving a Nivea cream for you to use. And this cream I'm recommending for you guys is cream that you can use both on your body and your face, whereby you don't have to use any more cream on your face. It has to be a moisturizing cream, because it's only a cream that is moisturizing that you can use on your face. So it has to be a moisturizing cream. I'm going to be leaving a Nivea cream that you can use as a melanin chocolate skincare person, and it will really, really do the work. It's not so expensive, but it will get the job done for you. And for those of the fair skin color, I'm going to be leaving a fair and white cream for you. A fair and white cream for you that you can use and achieve your skin color. If you don't use that, if you don't want that, you can also use Medix. That is another beautiful cream that you can use. Or also a Nivea that is meant for fair people. I'm just going to be recommending these 2, fair and white, and Nivea that is meant for fair skin people. Those 2 creams will do wonders on your skin. As far as you're diligent with them, you're rubbing them both morning and night before Christmas, I guarantee you, or even before New Year, your skin will be glowing. I'm not even capping. These are things that I have used. I have tried them. The fair one that worked for me, and that of the melanin type, my niece have tried them and it worked for her. So these are not something I'm recommending that I've not tried. And then the last one here is a body oil. A body oil is very, very needed. Those are just the 4 things that you need to glow your skin before Christmas or before New Year. For body oil, I think I'm going to be recommending bar oil. If you can afford bar oil, you can try that. If you cannot afford bar oil to use as a melanin skin person, because one thing with bar oil is it works for all skin type. Bar oil is for all skin type. If you're a fair person, it brings out your fair. If you're a melanin skin type or chocolate skin type, it also it brings out your skin color, makes it glow. Like you will love your skin when you see it. Bar oil is something I've been using for ages. It's more than a decade when I started using bar oil. And when I was way, way younger, that my sister started using it and I joined her, makes her skin looks like milk. So if you cannot afford bar oil, I would highly recommend that you get a Vaseline or a baby oil for melanin person, dark chocolate person. These baby oils are very beautiful on the skin. You guys will not even believe it. They are very beautiful. I highly recommend the Baby Johnson one because that's the one I bought for my niece. And if you see her skin, you will love it. She's very dark in complexion, but her skin is skinning because she's using a Baby Johnson oil on her skin. It's for baby, so it will definitely do wonders on her skin. Even fair people can use it. But for fair people, if you don't want to use that, you can use the Dysa oil or one of the Dysa, the turmeric or the vitamin C one, or also the bigger one. You know, there are two types of Dysa oil. You can use any one of them. And those oil does wonders on the skin. I use one of them, which I'm going to leave on the screen for you guys to see. For you guys to see, you can use any one of those oil. Just make sure you either rub them on your skin after you rubbing your cream, or you use them mainly at night. However you like it. If you want to use both day and night, both of them day and night, it's fine. But if you want to use just the oil only at night, it's fine. And I can guarantee you, these things that I've listed for you guys, they're going to work wonders for you before Christmas, even after Christmas, before New Year. Your skin will be skinning and glowing. People will be asking you what you're using. Today is just the 14th of December. So between now and Christmas, if you're diligent with these things, if you use them consistently every day, it's going to work wonders on your skin. I guarantee you for sure, it's going to work real wonders on your skin. So right now, I'm going to get yours if you don't have yours at home. And if you do and you're not consistent with them, start being consistent with them right now. These first things I've listed for you, the bar soap, the scrub, the body cream, body and face cream, and then the body oil. That oil, let me even state it. The oil is not for your face. Don't use them on your face. Just the body cream. That is a moisturizing cream, perfect for your face, which is for face and body. You can use those ones on your face. But the oil, thou shall not use on your skin. So that people will not say I'm the one that saying you should use them on your skin. No. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful as much as I did shooting this video for you guys. If you did, please, Monsheri, like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. What are you waiting for? It is that button that you can see while you are watching this video. You can see it right now as you are watching this video. Subscribe, watch it, share with your friends and family that you feel that this video might be helpful to them. Also, leave a beautiful comment for me in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, yeah, my cherries.